Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Hania, e-commerce Valley, a student at Hania School on an academy budget. So today I'm going to present my review on the TEDx talk Moving Forward by Jenna Pali. This talk is a powerful reminder that life is a continuous journey and no matter how many challenges we face, we must keep moving ahead with courage, hope and determination. The main message of this talk is about growth, change, and the importance of not staying stuck in the past. Janatali beautifully explains that every person experiences difficulties and failures, but these experiences should not stop us. Instead, they should become opportunities to learn, improve, and become stronger. One of the most impactful ideas from this talk is that moving forward does not mean forgetting our past. Our past experiences, whether good or bad, shape who we are today. Mistakes and failures are not signs of weakness, they are lessons that guide us toward a better future. Janatali highlights that instead of constantly regretting what has already happened, we should focus on our energy on what we can do next. I really like the way the speaker discussed the importance of self belief. Many times people limit themselves because of fear, criticism, or the opinions of others. They hesitate to take steps toward their dreams because they are afraid of failures. However, Janatali encourages the audience to trust themselves and believe that they have the ability to overcome obstacles. Another important lesson from this TEDx talk is the value of resilience. Life is not always easy, and everyone faces struggles at different stages. But the difference between successful people and others is their ability to stand again after failing. Moving forward requires patience, consistency, and the courage to continue even when the path is difficult. The talk also made me think about how important it is to accept change. Change is a natural part of life, but many people fear it because they prefer staying at their comfort zones. However, personal growth only happens when we challenge ourselves and step beyond what feels familiar. Janatali message reminds us that every new beginning brings new possibilities. Another point that stood out to me was the idea of focusing on progress rather than perfection. Sometimes people become discouraged because they expect immediate results. They forget that success is a process that takes time. Small steps taken every day can lead to great achievements in the future. What matters is that we continue improving and never give up on ourselves. The speaker's style was also very effective, generally delivered her message with confidence and passion. Her words felt relatable because they connected with the real life struggles and people experiences in their lives. The talk was not just about motivation, it was about creating a mindset that helps us face challenges positively. In my opinion, the biggest takeaway from this TEDx talk is that we should not allow our past, our fears, or our failures to define our future. Every day gives us a chance to start again, learn something new, and become a better version of ourselves. Moving forward is not only a title, it is a life lesson. It teaches us that progress is always possible if we have determination and the courage to take the next step. Life will continue to bring challenges, but our response to those challenges decide our growth. I would say that Janatali's TEDx talk is an inspiring and meaningful tool that encourages us to live behind negativity, believe in ourselves, and keep moving toward our goals. It reminds us that the journey may not always be easy, but every step forward brings us closer to becoming the person who we want to be. Thank you.